Hello everyone, welcome back with a new video. In this video, I will tell you how to hide apps on iPhone. So, if you want to hide an individual app, just click on the app you want to hide and click on remove app and remove from home screen. And if you want to hide page application, just tap for a second on the screen and click on here dots and you can uncheck the page application. And the other method, you can go to settings and tap on screen time, scroll down and go to content privacy restrictions, tap on it and tap on allowed apps and features from here, and you can uncheck the apps you want to hide. If you like the video, subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.